This video is about basic integration. The process of finding y from dy by dx or f of x from f prime of x is the reverse process of differentiation. We call this anti-differentiation or integration. Look at this diagram. From y or f of x, get the dy by dx or f prime of x. The process is called the differentiation. Then we need to do the reverse process of this differentiation. From dy by dx or f prime of x, figure out the y and f of x. This process is called the anti-differentiation or integration. Let's think the following statement. If f of x equals x squared, we know the derivative of f of x is 2x. But if derivative equals 2x, then f of x equals x squared. Is it true? Definitely not. Think about if you have x squared plus 1, when you do the derivative, you still get 2x. In other words, for this f of x, it could be x squared, it could be x squared plus 1, it could be x squared plus square root 2. And so on. There will be infinite solutions to this f of x. But the pattern of the solution to f of x, it will be f of x equals x squared plus c. C is all real numbers. Now let's go to second one. If f of x equals x to the nth power, then f prime of x equals n times x to the n minus 1th power. So if dy by dx equals x to the nth power, what's the f of x will be? Since this process is a reverse of differentiation, therefore it will be the reverse operation of this differentiation. The first step is times the exponent. Second step, the exponent minus 1. Now we will do the backwards. You have to make sure the order is backwards and also the operation is backwards. Therefore, this f of x will be exponent plus 1. So you get the x is n plus 1. This is the exponent. Then times the exponent. The reverse will be divided by the exponent. Now the exponent here is n plus 1. So divided by n plus 1. Don't forget plus c. And c is all real numbers. Now let's talk about the notation of integration. If f prime of x equals f of x, for x is in an interval a and b, then we use this symbol called the integral of f of x dx equals f of x, use the capital letter F plus c. And this c is all real numbers. This anti-differentiation of f prime of x equals f of x, we can write down this way. Integral of f prime of x dx equals f of x plus c. This is very, very important for you to think how to figure out this f of x. For example, we know 1 over x. We cannot use this formula, integral of x to the nth power, x n plus 1's power over n plus 1. But we do know that it's natural log of x. Derivative will be 1 over x. Therefore, we can do the backwards. You will get natural log of x plus c. Why we put the absolute value here? Because the domain of log argument must be greater than 0.